exciting event here in Battle Creek, and it's part of the BTL Axe throwing organization. And I'm with Jeremy Andrews, and he's going to tell me a little bit about it. When did this all start, Jeremy?
Battle Axe started in my backyard in May of 2018.
Really? Cool. And so now it's kind of grown into kind of
We're a pop-up axe throwing bar, I guess. So we take axe throwing to you. We're also in a semi-permanent location at Territorial Brewing Company. We'll do Thursdays and Fridays outdoors this summer. We're starting April 15th through October at Territorial Brewing Company. In the winter, we do a league and drop-in throwing at the Kellogg Arena here.
Cool. So, and we're expecting probably 50 or maybe more people tonight to compete.
Well, we have about 50 people that'll be here, and we have a tournament for the league, but we also have open yard games for people that just want to get out and play today and be with their friends. You can throw some cornhole, throw can jam, huge beer pong, and battle putt. Those games are all free with the $5 cover. Axe throwing is 10 for 10 throws. Now that's not what we charge at Territorial Brewing Company or normally, but at events and fairs, that is our charge. It gives people a little bit of an introduction, but on a normal day you can pay $20 to come and throw for the night.
Okay.
And
today is St. Patrick's Day, so we have a special event here at the Kellogg Arena. What's the name of today's event?
St. Axe Tricks Day.
St. Axe Tricks Day. So I didn't even stumble with that. Awesome.
It's a mouthful.
Yeah. So we're gonna see some maybe a little bit of the Irish axe throwing here, or the.
I mean, it's just axe throwing, but with Irish music in the background and Caribbean barbecue. So it's a big melting pot of things here today.
Follow the World Axe Throwing League rules for both scoring and for axes. So there's a minimum length requirement and a maximum length requirement. There's a minimum or a maximum weight head requirement, and there's a maximum blade length requirement. So you can only have a 4-inch blade maximum. This axe is specifically a World Axe Throwing League brand axe. So it actually, and a few of theirs are stamped with their logos. Those are very custom to our throwers. But basically, everyone is basically in the same category for what they can use, and that helps keep us, you know, I guess, equal. So they also have rules for big axes, so throwing like a full-size axe, and they also have rules for throwing knives, just came out. Okay. They have rules for duals axes, so it'd be 2 throwers on 1 target at a time, and they throw simultaneously, and the axes both go into the board at the same time.
going to do it for today's video on the BTL Axe competition held at the Kellogg Arena on St. Patrick's Day. If you'd like today's video and you want to learn more about the axe throwing group here in town, I'll put their information in the description down below. Definitely check them out. They've got a great calendar of events for the coming year, so definitely participate. It's a lot of fun. Everybody here was having a good time today. So if you like today's video, please take a minute to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.